April proved to be something of a roller coaster for stock investors, with a strong rally to close the month offsetting a sharp sell-off as markets reacted to the prospect of aggressive US tariffs. But while aspects of the Trump administration's tariff plans still look to be up for negotiation, one theme is well and truly here to stay: the ongoing battle for supremacy between the US and China to control the minerals that will be crucial to the clean energy transition, defense technologies, and the global AI arms race. As a case in point, look no further than the southern US state of Arizona, where the massive Resolution copper mine looks set to get a green light for development following years of delays. Majority owned by mining giant Rio Tinto, which counts fellow heavyweight BHP as a co-investor, the Resolution mine has been the subject of various environmental challenges, protests, and regulatory hold-ups, which have kept development on ice for more than a decade. But over the Easter weekend, Resolution was one of 10 US mining projects granted FAST-41 status, part of a Trump administration initiative to streamline development for critical minerals projects of strategic significance. To show that they're serious, Rio and BHP have spent about $2 billion on Resolution to date, and the joint owners reckon it has the potential to be the largest copper mine in the US, to the tune of 40 billion pounds of copper over 40 years. But for investors across the commodities complex more broadly, the fast-tracking of projects like Resolution is likely to prompt a repositioning of capital flows in line with the US government's clearly stated policy, an expansion of Made in America to include mined, extracted, and processed in America as well. If Resolution caught your attention, then it might pay to keep your eye on Arizona as a happy hunting ground for ASX explorers at the junior end of the market as well. For the likes of ASX-listed copper explorer Golden Mile Resources, developments have come at the opportune time as the microcap begins drilling at its flagship Pearl Copper project in Arizona. In fact, Golden Mile recently received 2 development permits of its own, with key approvals from the Federal Bureau of Land Management and the Arizona State Land Department. With all exploration permits now approved and with drilling now underway, the company is primed to capitalize on Trump's drill baby drill critical mineral strategy. That is, to secure domestic critical mineral supply chains in the US. For Golden Mile, the maiden program will comprise 14 to 16 reverse circulation holes for a total of up to 1,800 metres. It also represents the first ever drilling campaign by any company at Pearl, with initial testing of the Odyssey and Ford prospects centred on historical mine workings that operated between 1915 and 1942. Both prospects have returned significant historical copper grades, while recent rock chip assays from Odyssey return grades including 15.2% copper, 8.91% copper, and 7.74% copper. Timing is everything, and as the US continues to emerge as an epicenter of copper trade flows, Golden Mile is riding the wave of copper tailwinds in Arizona. It paves the way for the possibility of making not one, but 2 potential discoveries at Pearl, and in this market, that could be a game changer.